Stan Akers here, part of the applications team with NextGen CAM. Occasionally in PowerMill, you may come across a project that opens that has been forced to be a save as project, and this is oftentimes due to either a project crashing during PowerMill's calculations if something was intense or done incorrectly. Occasionally PowerMill will crash. Other events that cause this to happen is if another coworker actually has the file opened and therefore locked, or maybe leaves it locked on their computer. You come in on a Monday, you need to unlock that file. To demonstrate this, I'm going to have a project open. I'm going to go ahead and open another project, that same exact project. So you'll get the PowerMill warning here that says that that project is open read only, which means that it's going to have you save as if you need to save any of your work. Now, in order to get around this, what we need to do is called a project claim. So you'll come up here to your Home tab, and in your Macros panel, go ahead and open your Echo Commands, the command window basically for PowerMill. What we're going to do is called a project claim. I'm going to hit enter to project claim, and it's going to ask me if I want to claim that project, meaning that someone else, whoever has this open, is going to be kicked off, or whoever has that locked is now not going to have the saving rights and permissions to this file. I'm going to hit yes to that, and that claims the project. From here, I can save that project without any pop-ups or errors from the file format. Now, after you've done project claim for the first time, you don't have to go to Echo Commands in order to open this in the command window every time. It's best practice to add the project claim command either to your customized quick access toolbar up here on the left, which I have done here, or to the customized ribbon bar interface into a workflow so that you can quickly come in and claim a project. Hopefully this PowerMill tip clarifies how to use the project claim and reclaim a file.